Hi, this video will introduce you the concept of generalized fuzzy graphs. To know what is generalized fuzzy graphs, you have to recall the concept of fuzzy graphs. So let's check. Now, what is fuzzy graph? This definition says fuzzy graph is a triplet V, sigma and mu, where sigma represents the vertex membership values, mu represents the edge membership values, and V is the non-void set. That's it. No, there is another restriction. That is mu value, that is edge membership value is less than to the minimum of vertex membership values. So the natural question, why this type of relationship? Is it required or it satisfies some mathematical equation, equivalence property like this? So is it really required? So this question is answered in this paper, the paper of Soban Samanta, Bishit Sarkar, Dongmin Shin of Hanyang University, South Korea, and Madhumangal Pal of Vidishekhar University, India. Now, why are they questioning about this restriction? Now, in fuzzy graphs, you can see the edge membership value is less than to the vertex membership values. Suppose you have two persons in the any kind of network, like maybe in Facebook, maybe in Twitter. So A has, with certain parameter, A has 40% knowledge, that is membership value is 0.4, and B has 50% knowledge, that is membership value is 0.5. Now their share of knowledge, that is the interaction, why should be less than 40%? Because B can share to A more than 40%. He has already 50%. So the natural question, why the limitation? And they have defined the generalized fuzzy graphs in a different manner. First of all, they have defined the generalized fuzzy graph of type 1. You can see clearly that this generalized fuzzy graph is defined with some relationship between edge membership value and vertex membership value, not the less than equal to, not the greater than equal to. So they are saying that edge membership value is the function of vertex membership values. The function, for example, the function may be like this, that is edge membership value is equal to the union maximum of the vertex membership values. This is one type of particular relation. There may be more than one type of relation. You may consider, you may create such type of relationship. So in that case, if A and B are the nodes, 0.4 and 0.3 are the vertex membership values, the edge membership value may be 0.4, so which violates the previous concept of fuzzy graph. But here you can, because you have the relationship between edge and vertex, maybe like this. They have also defined generalized fuzzy graph of type 2. So GFG2, in that case they have defined the age membership values and vertex membership values. An interesting point is that, so first of all, you have to consider here the age membership value. In the previous case, in all the cases, first vertex membership values are considered, and then age membership values are calculated or find out. But in that definition, they have stated that first off you have to consider the age membership values, and based on the age membership values you have to calculate the vertex membership values. There is one determined relationship. This relationship may be defined in another way. What is that? That is the vertex membership values is depending on its incident ages. So the vertex membership values is the average of the weights or membership values of its connecting edges. And here is that example. So A, B, C, D are the vertices, and with some membership values given according to some parameter, and that is 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.5. So for the node B you have 3 connecting edges and its sum is 1.5, so its average is 0.5, and which is the vertex membership value. So it's quite interesting, and will include the applications of centrality, link prediction in social networks, and so many. So you can read the paper, you can understand the concept further from the paper published in the Springer, and they have published another paper. You can see this paper is also published from International Journal of Computational Intelligence System, co-authored by Viswajit Sarkar and Shobhan Samanta. So generalized fuzzy trees, there are many papers are coming and several journals, reputed journals. Thank you very much for this